Hello guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create an account on github.com, right? So to create an account on github.com, first of all, in your browser address bar, you will have to write github.com and then press enter. Then this is the home page where we land. This is the home page of github.com, right? So here, as you know that github.com, it's a basically hosting website, right? A cloud hosting website which is powered by the Git. And if you want to push our code on the GitHub, right, then we need an account, and that's the reason we are learning over here how to create an account on github.com. Yeah. So first of all, once you land on the github.com, then you need to click on sign up because we required a new account. And here we'll have to type your username, right? So username, I'm going to specify a KK Java Tutorials. Okay, make sure that whatever username here you are typing, that should be unique. All right, so this turn into green, right? So that means this is a unique one, right? Then we'll have to provide basically email address, right? So email address I'm going to provide. This should be the actual existing email address, right? Because once registration will get over, then GitHub is going to send an email verification link to this email ID. So make sure that your email is actual one, right? And then choose a strong password. So here I'm going to choose one strong password. Okay, so I have chosen the password as well, and after that we'll have to click on sign up for GitHub, right? Now let me save this password. Now we have to verify our account, right? So click on the verify, and here you'll see an email, so you will have to rotate this email. So now after that you'll have to click on the done, right? So now you can see the green tick mark, so we have verified. Now here join a free plan, I'm going to click on this, right? Now here you will have to answer few questions like what kind of work do you do mainly. So here I am going to choose any of one you can choose. So here I am going to choose teacher, I educate people, right? This one I have chosen the option. How much programming experience do you have? So I'm going to moderate one. Now what do you what do you plan to use GitHub for? So I would select this one, learn Git and GitHub. Then which language we are going to use, this is the optional one. So I'm not going to specify I'm interested in anything. So just I'm going to click on the complete setup, right? So now we moved into the next step, and here you have two option: resend verification email, or change your email settings. So I'm going to click on the resend verification email, so that email will be sent to our email address. So just I will verify my email address. So here you can see GitHub has sent an email to verify my email address. So just I'm going to click on verify email address. So now there was an error verifying your email. I don't know why this guy is saying uh, so I'm going to click over here, resend. If I go and check it over here, so again I got an email from GitHub. Now I'm going to click over here, click on the verify email, at this time saying that your email was verified, right? So now my email has verified, right? And after registration, you can, there are a lot of functionality, we are going to explore each and everything. So once you create your account, then you would like to first create repository. So here you can see we have a button create repository. So what is repository, we'll see a lot of things else. You can create repository in many ways, either clicking on this, or if you click on this drop down which is beside to plus sign, here you can see new repository. So if you click over here, then this will ask you to specify the repository name, whether you want to keep your repository public or private. That's your option. If your repository is public, then anybody can see this repository, right? Or you can choose who can commit on this repository. If you make it private, then you choose who can see and commit to this repository. So usually this is just for learning purpose, so I would only create the public repository and initialize this repository with readme. So this will give, if you mark this one, this you can skip, but I would suggest you to select this one. So readme, this will give you the readme file. There you can provide some description about what is all about your repository and all. So I'd say demo my repo. So this is my repository name, and click create repository. We'll have to click, and this is repository. There I can check in my code, right? So repository has been created. Yeah, so if you click over here, then this is the repository link, right? So repository link, if you have copy and paste it on notepad, so repository link always end with .git, right? So that's all I have in this video tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoy learning this video. I hope you understood how to create an account on github.com. Guys, big thank you for watching this video, and this series will go on and go on. There are many videos I'm going to make on GitHub, so I hope you will enjoy learning. So guys, big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.